Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will have a look at the Roku Incorporated. It's a very interesting stock that has shown today actually a nice big leg up, but the question is now, is it still good stock to buy? And if yes, then what would be the best buying and selling opportunities? And actually how better understand what's going on with this stock for the moment. So first, let's have a look at the basic chart stats for the stock. We can see actually that around 8th of June, the stock observed so-called magic red cross when the moving average 20 cut from the top the moving average 50. This caused actually some rejection of the trend up, which was observed 2 weeks ago. And then the stock actually previous week it was going down, but it was all going down with the candles formation dojis almost every day, except one case, which means like really that the trend was hesitant going down and the buyers were expecting some reversal. And indeed today it was observed actually that this magic cross was rejected again, and once the stock was completely below the moving average 20 with entire volatility over a day, next day, so today it jumped up. And now the question is it really going to continue the trend or not, and what we can expect from this stock? So if we will look at the situation with RSI, for example, for this stock, it actually kind of in volatility zone, and it means that it's not really a good strong identifier here where the stock is trending. Though you can say there is kind of a wave forming, which is positive, but still it's a little bit, unclear pattern here. If you look at divergence convergence index here, it's a more interesting situation. So independently on what was going on actually with the price, it was kind of trending up. Then it showed some interesting behavior during the neglection phase last week. It was actually making a shoulder here, which is a good sign. It's kind of a delayed cross from the bottom for MACD, and then it started to cross today. This creates also kind of a positive feeling that overall the stock is actually more positive behavior than negative. But then the situation is, when is the nice point to buy? And we don't want to buy too early. So we can see some nice clear trends here, like this one, which was confirmed actually 2 times, and today as well it was confirmed by touching it, and then it worked like a support, so actually almost 3 times confirmed. But then there is of course moving average 200, which is on the top here, and it creates kind of a resistance line. Still it might be that tomorrow the piercing will happen through it, and then it will be a little bit unclear because there are strong resistance levels nearby then for this one. So it's still a question, would it really pierce through those levels? So here would be the first one, and then another one here. So it's still a question. It's like very echeloned defense against growing further, but in case there will be slight let's say retrace, and it will slowly go down. What could happen these days that the price will either follow the moving average 50 and will try to play around it and then further bounce up. So this is one possibility. Another possibility would be that the price will actually pierce through moving average 50, and then it will stuck between moving average 20 and 50, so it will be playing here, and then there will be double support formed. So first support will be this green trend, and another support will be actually reversing moving average, let's put it in green, moving average 20 here. So it means that in this case it will be a stronger let's say defense here and reversal, and based on that actually the first nice buy box in case of piercing would be somewhere between the moving average 50 and 20. This would be first buying box, and everything that goes below the trend actually would be the second buying box for this stock. Let's see some other lines here. So this would be the second box, and if it goes below this area, it will be very strong, very nice box to buy. Let's delete this one. So then we have like 3 areas here. This one I usually call it like a 0 area, so you can buy but keep some funds for maybe average down situation. Here will be very nice and good buy, and this is like a strong buy. And then yeah, it will be either reversal from here or from this. Then the question is what would be the best selling point, and I would say sell before the cross happens between moving average 200 in case if it follows that pattern and this trend, because it will be like a cross, magic cross down, very strong one. This could cause some volatility, or even stock can be neglected and some downtrend can be observed, but still it will be a question, so it's too early to say for the moment. We will need to come back here and observe what will happen. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.